Okay, the bench is coming along really good. This is the back of it. The two sides we had finished up last winter. So this, I only have to have these two boards put on and then it should be the right distance. So that's going really well. I'm going to take these with me because I can take them on site and start coating them and getting them ready. And then we'll put it together on site. I do have some bracing and another shelf to make, but I want to get it together so I can figure out what braces I want to put on it. I also worked on the, this is for inside the metal cabinet. So these are all cut more than enough. And I'm going to double check my width. These are made to be a little narrower than 9.5 inches when you put four of them together. So I can start putting that together too, maybe tomorrow or whatever day I'm out here next. Finish up this back and then I can start working on them and then get measurements for the bench after I get it together. So coming along really good. I even did some cleaning in the wood shop. Not much, but a little bit, so you can't tell because of the lighting. Yeah, there we go. Cleaned up the cobwebs. Gets a little messy at times. Also, I noticed that my speakers had vibrated enough they were moving forward, so I pushed them back in. Glad I noticed that because eventually they would have fallen just from vibration over the years. And it's probably been, who knows, could have been 30 years since they've been pushed back. Maybe I never touched them since I originally put them on. They were the first things to go in the wood shop. I had taken a couple speakers that someone was getting rid of and I put sides on, surface the sides to make them fit my shop better, and they're still working, so great. Okay, let's carry the stuff to the truck and let's go do some stonework and some coating of wood too. This is the inside, so the outside we'll see later, but this is the inside of the cabinet here.